Hey guys, I'm Ben, one of the founders of Planet GR Yaris. Hopefully a lot of you watching this video are already in our group and following us on socials, but if not, please do go and check out our Instagram page, our YouTube, and also we've got a WhatsApp group we run as well with loads of owners, around 100 of us in there at the moment. Here today to talk to you a little bit about my car, give you a little bit of a walk around, and hopefully you can see that's right behind me. So, hopefully the first thing you'll notice is the Lamborghini Imola Bronze wheels. It's something that I really wanted to set this car off, and I think it really gives it that sort of slightly different look amongst the crowd. Also, other things we've got are the carbon fibre mud flaps front and rear, and also running a spaced rear as well to give it that slightly more stancy look on the outside. If I come out here, hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. Moving round into the engine, we've got a couple of bits done here. We've got the MST intake, also running the OPF delete, along with a Turbosmart blow-off valve, and of course the DTUK stage 2 box, which I absolutely love. Moving around to the rear of the car, everything else this side is pretty much standard, but then you'll notice the Maxton rear spoiler that I've gone for, just a little edge on the car, and then finally the Milltek exhaust system as well.